And welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful frilly top because frills are in fashion right now. So I'm going to transform my old black t-shirt to this. So let's start. Measured my t-shirt's neck and that is 12 inches, and to get some good gathers I need to take this lace fabric double than my t-shirt's neck. So that is 12 inches and the double of 12 is 24. So this lace is approximately 30 inches long and this is 10 inches. Yes, the length is 10 inches and the width is 30 inches. So this is a single piece. So I will tell you how to attach this lace on the t-shirt to make a big frill on the shoulders. To get some good gathers, what I do is I always double the fabric and I make a cut here, and then I fold the fabric and make another cut. In that way I will know how many gathers I'm going to need, and that's my way to get equal gathers everywhere on the neck. So I hope it is useful for you as well. So this is the fold, and I'm going to put one cut over here as well. So in the same way I'm going to make some marks on the neck as well. So this is the half of the neck and I'm going to make a mark over here, and the other is the shoulder seam, so that I know that is the half of my neck and that's the front of the neck. So in that way the gather should be equal everywhere. So I'm going to start on the back side of the t-shirt on the back neck. So this is the half of the back neck and I'm going to stitch this lace from the back side first. So make sure all your gathers are equal. We need gathers, less gathers at the back side and more gathers on the front side. So this is the back side of the lace. I've folded this lace, folded these raw edges and made a seam. So now I'm going to stitch this. This is the back, and here I'm going to start my sewing. I will leave a little bit fabric without the seam to close this lace at the end, and I'm going to start this. And I will make very small gathers. Nearly a 1-inch gap between two gathers. Very few gathers at the back, but we need more gathers at the front. We need very few gathers at the back, more gathers at the front. So the front neck starts here, and make sure all your pleats are on one side. So this way I will finish all my neck. nearly finished. This is the side seam of the frill, and I'm going to close this. As you can see, my seam is finished, and now I'm going to turn my t-shirt inside out. So that's how it is looking, and I'm going to turn this frill inside out as well. So that's how it's looking, and I'm going to make one final seam over the top to finish this design. And I'm going to start the seam on the back side first. Make sure you equal the gathers. I'm leaving 1/4 inches margin for the seam. Here my seam is done and my garment is finished as well. So I will show you the final look. So this is the final look of my t-shirt. So that's how we can easily transform our clothing. I hope you liked today's video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.